So hello guys and hello everyone and hello teachers. So this is my final projects, final thesis projects. Now I'm doing automation of data analyze. So what I'm responsible for front end, back ends, database and API, everything. And the concept projects that is receiving data set from users, business owner, or anyone that want to transform the raw data to actionable visualizations like graphs or bar charts or pie chart, anything. Alright. So the concept of using that, the concept of building that is simple. Back end I used Django, and front end I used Next.js, something like that. And the database is PostgreSQL. Alright, that's it. And this is the brief guidebook that developer or anyone that want to fork or clone my project to use. So it's really simple. So you can clone my projects or fork my projects to use. It's simple. Or another ways, you can use Docker to clone my Docker image for quickly running, but you have to configure about the env file or the environment file to set about a lot, and especially like to pull Olama and Qwen. And also another external service that I use is Google Auth0. Introduced that if someone or developer that want to force my projects or clone my projects, make sure you have sign up Google Auth to create a new project and get the ID like the environment file. As you know, I cannot display it. So first of all, I will introduce you step by step. So first is sign up. So sign up is sending the OTP, 6 OTPs number. So hold on. Yeah, we got it. And then we can create this count. Oh, it's taken. Alright. So as you can see, we have now like small import data set. Alright. So now I'm gonna log into my origins account. Alright. Yes, here we go. So first of all, I would like to inform about my AI agent. So before we get to chat which AI agent, make sure we choose the existing data set. So let's choose this one, and what I'm gonna ask what do we ask? So first we go to data lab and click this one. So this dataset is currently good now, so I'll use one. Alright, so the data lab page is it's used to cleanse the data set like this one. So first we check data type like that we can choose to that time apply cast. So before apply cast, it will tell us that it will erase 10% if we conform. So it's really important that. So the data set has only 120. So if 10% it will raise 10 or 50 of row like this. So there's a lot of method to clean the data set, transform, or adding new column. There's a lot of, so I cannot do all of them in this video, so but I can do some of them by heading down like this one is totally correct transaction, and this one customer name no. So we can check the customer name, this column. This one. So if this one is not the big problem, so we can choose to update directly manually like this, so it's fine. And this one like quantity floats, yes, there is both correct for numbers number, and location premises, yes, they are good, but it's null. So if the column is integer, we can choose this method to get one of them, like reverse, go forward, backward. Yes, so this one no, so we can choose, and this one will be empty, remove category. So the best method is filling, like we choose the medium ones, most common, but in general we choose the average mean. Yes, one of them is SQL for the so category is string, so we cannot do an average. So but we have another method to do that. So so now I don't have enough time to do that more, so I will go to another page now. For data analyze exploratory data analyze that we call EDA usually. So this one is really important to check the connection between the column. This one is mean that it is strong, and this one is 0.7 is totally correct, medium, like a bit more better than medium. Yeah, one is bad. So I cannot go too critical about this, but I can display like this one is we use to demonstrate to stakeholder. Later, this one we can export, yeah, something like this. So another one. All right. So this one just really is important about the revenue, the data set related to money. Yes, this one cross tab. So I cannot choose like that. It's wrong. No. Yeah, this one is correct because the row number is higher. So as you can see, this is the category of truck. And we display the present of each state of inheritance. So this another one about outlier, checking outlier, missing, scatter. Alright. So visualization. This one is just similar to EDA, but kind of better than EDA and critical then. Alright, so we can choose top hundreds, means, yeah. So we can see this visualization, and then we have like this. So there's a report that generated from the AI agent that I have used before. So we have choose the dataset. So generates me questions of all business about this dataset. So here we go. Now we can get that question for each. Alright, now let's go to continue with the date. This dashboard. There are something like this. Wait, hold on, I need to close it now. Oh, wait. Let me inform. So I asked the AI agents to analyze or give me the question that relate to about this current data sets of pharmacy sale. So if you read the data set and then analyze and give us the revenue analyze question, so we can do the dashboard that following this question for each question. Like extract category, generate the highest revenue. Yeah, something like this. Let me do one. Hold on. Which? Wait. Let me close. Title. So we will choose category and then price and wages. So this one, as you can see, we have the dashboard and display like this. All right. So we can have mobile. This time is over 10 minutes now. So I'm gonna complete it right now. So I'm gonna save and refresh, and then I share the links. All right, we're opening new links about the new dashboard right now. So the link is share wall in public, but we run it in local, so it is domain is local also. It's fine. So we got the link we can share right now and display like this. Also, we can share to Notion and do the demonstration to business owner or stakeholder that we want. Yeah. So right now we with all of them now